What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see here, I have some cases from Whitestone Dome for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. These are new to their line colors that they sent me over. So I've gotten the Lilac Purple, I got the black, navy, and rose red. I'm gonna open it up like so. So this is what the navy looks like. It feels nice. It, like I said, it's almost like a silicone, but it really doesn't feel silicone. It feels better than silicone to me, but it is very flexible, as you can see, and it is very thin. Like I said, you get their logo Whitestone in the middle, and on the inside and on the side here it says Whitestone. And I'm glad they're stepping into the case game a little bit. You know, don't just offer screen protectors, offer cases also. So this is what the navy case will look like on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. You have a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the back, you should be good to go. If you place it flat down on the table, you should be good to go. But I do recommend you get yourself a screen protector, because this does not have really a lot of lit action going on. This is just something nice, something for a nice, clean, minimalistic look. You do get your power button. It's nice and clicky. You do get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky. You get a nice cutout for your alert slider, and at the bottom here you get nice cutouts for your charging port and speakers. So now we're going to test out wireless charging, which I'm sure it should have wireless charging, but we're going to try it out anyway. And yes, you do get wireless charging with this case, but this has been the navy one. So now we're going to try out the other colors that they sent me over. So I do like I said, I do like the look and the feel. Sometimes I don't always want a heavy case. Sometimes I want something light. So this will come in handy. These are all going to have the exact same look and feel and design, just different colors. So this is what the black looks like. That looks nice. Like I said, you do get a thin lip. Oh, and you also have access to a lanyard. If you would like to do that, you can connect a lanyard. Nice cutouts on the bottom. Everything looks good. Up here, there is a little bit of bulginess happening right here. I don't know if that's just how the case is made, but it pretty much looks like it, because when I had the navy case on, it looks like this is not fitting. It's not fitting snug like this. It's sitting up a little bit. So maybe that's something Whitestone can try to fix in their next line of cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But overall, this does look nice, and it feels nice also. And this will also still have access to wireless charging. If these cases will get very dirty in the back, because they do have a nice soft feel to the back, but we shall see over time. Hopefully they don't. But now we're going to place in my iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this is what the lilac purple looks like. Now this one, I really do like this color. It's very light and subtle, but it looks good with this white iPhone 13 Pro Max. Like I said, you get all your cutouts at the bottom. Nice cutouts. Nice cutout for your alert slider. Your volume up and down button is nice and clicky. Your power button is nice and clicky. You get a nice lip around your camera. You don't really get too much lip around front of the device, but like I said, if you have a nice screen protector on your device with this case, you should be good to go. And you do get your wireless charging once again, and that's a nice touch. And now we're gonna try out this rose red. So we're gonna see what it looks like. This is a nice bright color to me. This is what it looks like. It's called rose red. Rose is what they're calling it, but the camera's not doing it any justice. On camera, it looks a lot brighter than it is in person. To me, it does look like rose, but on camera, it looks super bright. But this is a nice color if you like rose red, as you can see here. Now, see, this case is fitting a lot better than the first two than the black and the navy and the black. So I don't know if that suggests the cases I received, but this one does have a tighter fit on the top here. But as you can see, this is what the rose red looks like on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Look at that nice camera lip. Look at the little bit of lippage you get around the front of the screen. Overall, this is a nice look and feel and a design for Whitestone. I want to give them a thumbs up for coming out with these nice looking cases. So if you're out there and you want a nice feeling thin silicone looking case for your smartphone, but you do not want to pay for the Apple branded ones, Whitestone Dome has a variety of colors. These are not the only colors they have. They have more colors on their website that you can go and choose from for iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this is things that you can get for their iPhone 13 Pro Max. And look at these cases are only $9.99, plus tax. And they're like silicone cases. These are as nice as the Apple ones. I'm sure they feel like it. And you can get these in all different kind of colors, as you can see here. Let me go through the colors for you. You can get like a whitish looking color. The black like I have. There's the lilac purple. There's another color you can get. They even have a yellow. That's nice. A green. Dark green. There's the rose red like I have. It's showing like pink, but it's rose red. And you also get like a dark blue. So pretty much this has been their silicone case line from Whitestone. This is the name of the case, the brand of the case. I don't want to say it because I'm gonna butcher it. I don't want to read it wrong, but that's the name of the case brand. And they currently have 9 colors, and like I said, this case is $9.99. So I'll have a link to their website in my description. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.